Hello! For today's tutorial is rational algebraic expressions. Simplify number 1, x squared minus 7x plus 12 over x squared plus 2x minus 24. So first, kukunin natin yung factor ng numerator at saka ng denominator. So ang factor ng x squared minus 7x plus 12. So first, kukunin natin yung factor ng positive 12. Lahat ng factor ng positive 12. So unahin natin 12 times 1, negative 12 times negative 1, negative 6 times negative 2, 6 times 2, negative 4 times negative 3, and 4 times 3. Then, i-add natin ang mga factor na ito. 12 plus 1 is 13. Negative 12 plus negative 1 is negative 13. Negative 6 plus negative 2 is negative 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Then, tingnan natin yung second term. Yung numerical coefficient ng second term ay 7, negative 7. So, hanapin natin dito ang negative 7. So, nandito ang negative 7, kaya ito yung kukunin natin na factor. Equals x squared is x times x and negative 4 and negative 3. Okay? X times x is x squared. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. And negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. Next, x squared plus 2x minus 24. Okay? So, para mas madali, mag-isip tayo ng dalawang number na kapag i-multiply natin ay negative 24. At kapag i-add natin ay positive 2. So, ang dalawang number na yon ay 6 times negative 4. So, pag i-add natin yan ay positive 2. So, ito ang kukunin natin na factor. So, yan ay x times x. Then, plus 6 and negative 4. X times x is x squared. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. 6 minus 4 is positive 2. And then, i-cancel natin yung pareho ang factor. So, x minus 4 at saka yung x minus 4. So, matitira, yan ang kanyang sagot. So, x minus 3 and x plus 6.